Greetings, Dennis Daniels here.
Equations and fractions. Let's do a simple one. Negative 1/5 c equals 3. Pretty straightforward. What you do is just times 5 by both sides, get rid of the fraction. So that gives us negative c equals 15. Of course, you can't have c as negative, so c equals negative 15. Easy.
Now, one of the things we want to do when you run a problem like that is you want to, of course, test it to see if you got it right. And easy enough to do in this instance is just by putting negative 15 as c, and you will see that negative 1 times negative 15 is 15, positive 15, divided by 5 equals 3. And of course you can do that in your head, and you can do it on paper, and you can do it on websites like Wolfram Alpha. So let's go take a look at that right now. There it is, negative 1/5 c equals 3. Assuming c is referring to math, which it is. And there is the input. That's how Wolfram Alpha interprets it. It is a geometric figure, a point, and there is the plot for that point. C plus 15 equals 0 is the alternate way of alternate form of writing it, but the solution, in fact, is c equals negative 15. So keep this in mind as you start working through these problems. You're going to start getting some really interesting stuff. Let's just let's throw in a square root in there, and I'll show you what happens. It's still going to plot a line. It's going to be a point in space, just like that. Now, if we change that from equals 3 to times 3, then we'll start to get some very interesting results. There's our plot again, and let's try multiplying that by 5. So the exact result is right there. Let's try getting rid of the fraction. Whoops, didn't like that. And the input is there, so you can begin. Let's try that and see if that changes anything. 5 to the third times 5 is negative 625. So you can play around with Wolfram Alpha as much as you like. Again, doesn't hurt anything to explore, and that's the whole point. Once you begin exploring with math, it takes you places you would have never imagined. Thanks for watching.